Yes. Yes, my dear students, beta, we are going to start with the discussion of tenses. Fine. We have discussed the rules and regulations and where it should be used. Today we are going to discuss the exercise, some sentences, so that it can be made more clear to you and you will learn. Present tense, I think we have done simple present. I would like you to come on page number 82 to know the difference of present indefinite and present continuous. Yes, Simran. Okay, Mannat.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Start with exercise 3.
Usually, Bunty takes care of these plants. I am trimming and watering them today because Bunty is preparing for an important test.
Okay. Can you tell me the difference? Why did you use in first blank you use present indefinite and rest present continuous? Yes. Yes, Mannat.
Ma'am, in first sentence there is usually, that means it is he does it daily, so we use simple present tense here.
Yes, yes. यूजुअली बंटी टेक्स केयर ऑफ दीज प्लांट्स आमतौर पे वो इन प्लांट्स की केयर करता है यूजुअली मींस आमतौर पे जनरली such a verb tells us or they give us hint that it is habitual action, so there we use present indefinite or simple present. And in rest, today means each I am trimming and watering. Today I am trimming and watering. Okay, nice. Second one, Jatin. Second.
Do you understand what the speaker is saying? He is speaking in a foreign language which I do not know.
Yes. Do you understand what the speaker is saying? क्या आप समझते हो क्या बोल रहे हैं वो, है ना? At this moment means he is speaking at the time when you speak. He dash in a foreign language. What I, yes, Jatin?
He is speaking in a foreign language which I do not know.
Yes, he is speaking in a foreign language which I don't know. Yes, very nice, very good. Janvi, keep your videos on. Janvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Now I want to come you on page number 84. Simple past tense. Can you tell me where we use this past indefinite tense? Yes. Sahajpreet. Sahajpreet. You have book, beta? Sahajpreet, do you have book? No? You should have book.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Now page number 84. Exercise number 1.
Yes.
Past tense. Yes, past tense, beta. Yes, bachche.
As the temperature was
As the temperature yes. Harshpreet.
As the temperature fell further, water freezed in the taps. We did not have any water even to drink.
As temperature
Fell. Water freezed in the taps. We did not have any water even to drink.
See, beta, here it is not scientific truth. Means you are describing something particular. At this moment, the speaker is describing something, some particular moment. As the temperature fell, where do we use this past indefinite tense? Yes, Harshvi. Where we use this past indefinite?
We use simple past tense when we had to express an action which happened in the past.
Okay, in the past means in the past.
Means yesterday,
Yes. What else?
yesterday, and further.
Yesterday means there should be a proper time gap. As we discussed yesterday, Vita. Discussed yesterday means there had been 24 hours more than these hours. है ना? There should be a proper gap. But where there is little difference in present perfect and past indefinite. You are having a good exercise of this to observe this difference. You can mute yourself first, please. Now, what is that present perfect is has have. That is also immediate past. Fine. That happens when we just a moment ago we speak. We are talking about. Fine. But past indefinite, it had a proper time space. Yesterday, last night, okay, or there may be that to talk about the morning today when you are talking in the evening. Fine. So there it is used. There should be proper time gap. Yes, bache. Next, supno. Supno. You have book, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Second sentence.
I think he lies or to me when he said he not know Mina's phone number.
I think he lied to me when he said he did not have Manan's phone number. Yes, absolutely correct. Now, past continuous tense, that is simple past and past continuous tense on page number 87. Page number 87. Yes, Janvi.
Ma'am.
Yes, beta. You are supposed to fill past indefinite or past continuous.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, page number?
Page number 87, sentence number 1.
Ma'am, I don't have page number 87 in my book. I'm sorry.
Okay. Then you should open the past chapter of past tense. Yes, Akal Simar. Akal Simar.
We had been walking for about 10 minutes when we suddenly realized we are moving in wrong direction.
We remember. Now one thing important, beta. When you see that the other verbs in a sentence are in past, in the last blank, you said we are moving in the wrong path. Fine, there cannot be present. Remember, there can be combination of future and present. In two clauses, you have earlier done clauses and side by side these clauses will be going on. Fine. Now, in one clause, if past tense is used, in other present will not be used. Akal. Okay? Means we had been walking for about 10 minutes when we suddenly realized we were moving. Okay? We were moving in the wrong direction. Yes, Janvi, did you get the page? Past tense, beta, in your book. Open the chapter past tense in your book. Yes, Pari. Yes, Pari.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Second sentence, page 87.
Ma'am, I don't know the page number.
Beta, past tense, you should be having grammar books. Past tense.
Yes.
Open the chapter past tense. Did you get it?
No.
Then check in the index. Chapter past, expressing the past. Yes, Hazel. Second sentence.
What were you doing when Mira called on you? I was getting ready for my evening walk, but I cancelled the walk and sat down with Mira.
Yes, absolutely correct. What were you doing when Mira called on you? See, if in one blank, when Mira called, it means in the other you will use past tense. What were you doing? I told you that this continuous it usually come in a conjunctive, in a we can say that sentence complex sentence. Simran, you should be visible beta for response. Yes. I was getting ready for my evening walk, but I cancelled the walk and sat down with Meera. Yes. Yes, Janvi, you got it? Okay, it means you don't have grammar book with you. Yes, Simran. Simran.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Present perfect tense. I hope it is very much clear to you, but even then, let's do two sentences of these also. Yes, beta. Present perfect tense. Simran, can you tell me where we use this present perfect tense?
Ma'am, present perfect tense is used to refer an action which has been completed in which has been completed recently.
Recently, just before. Anna? It is called the immediate past, just before you speak. Yes, beta. Sentence.
The lemon tea you have served is really delicious. How did you prepare it? Have you used some special brand of tea leaves?
Yes, very good, very nice. Gia. Gia. Yes, Jatin. So, beta, we use present perfect tense. Yes, Jatin.
I have heard that Sujata has joined Star Sports as a cricket commentator. Has she told you about anything about it?
Yes, beta, we should be careful about the use of has and have. I have heard that Sujata has joined the Star Sports, and when it is interrogative, you need to check the sign also. It is interrogative sentence, and then we will use this has. Has she told you anything about it? Now, because there is very good exercise which tells us about the difference of this present perfect and yes, present perfect and simple past. There is little difference in the use of simple past and present perfect. Mannat.
Yes, ma'am.
Exercise with 5. Sentence
I am
number.
sure I have met this gentleman, but since I met him long back, I have forgot his name.
I am sure I have met this gentleman, but since I, yes, Mannat, you can wait for some time to mute yourself. Yes,
But since I met him long back, I have forgot his name.
but since I met him long back, it is a fact of history. But a historical fact means it is long back. So past indefinite will be used. Since I met him long, yes, I
have forgot his name.
have forgotten. B3. I have forgotten his name. Yes, Supnu. Supnu.
I have closely observed him since he joined this company. His performance has always been satisfactory.
I have closely observed him since he joined this company. Means he joined in the past. His performance has always been. But now B is given with for this present perfect. It will be has been. Yes, very good. Yes, Nandini.
Okay, ma'am.
Nandini. Yes, beta. Come to the next exercise.
My father had already bought an iPod for me.
Nandini, listen to me attentively, beta. Exercise number 7. Exercise number 7.
As she attended the phone, her face had been with joy. She looked thrilled, but I could not make out from her expression what happy news she had received.
Yes. As she attended the phone, her face beamed with joy. She looked thrilled. All these points will be in past indefinite. But in the last blank, what happy news she had received. Means earlier she received the news and then all these expressions were added in his, they were shown on this on her face. Yes, Janvi.
The police made every effort to find out who had committed the crime. All the efforts drew a blank because the culprit had wiped out all the clues.
Had clearly wiped. Adverb is there now. Had clearly wiped. Yes, absolutely correct. The police made every effort to find out. In the first one, we'll use past indefinite. The police made every effort to find out who had committed the crime. Means first the crime was committed and then later the police tried to find out the culprit. I hope from these blanks, these sentences, this past perfect, use of past perfect is very much clear to you. Fine. In the second one, second sentence, all their efforts due are blank because the culprit had clearly wiped out all the clues. It means the clues have been wiped out and later they were not found by the police. Yes, Simran. Very good. Now come to the next. What I want? Yes, Vita. Page number 94. Page number 94, beta.
Yes.
Yes,
Please
beta.
do not knock at the door.
Hmm.
Please do not knock at the door. Father,
Yes.
father has been sleeping inside.
Simran, time is mentioned here. Father has been sleeping there for 2 hours. Time is mentioned?
No.
No. If time is not mentioned, you want to show continuation, what we will use?
Simple continuous.
Yes, absolutely correct. What will you use then?
Is sleeping.
Yes, now it is correct. Father is sleeping. Yes, Akal Simran. Next sentence, Akal Simran.
My father has sleep the whole afternoon. It's the time he got up and went for his walk.
Yes, my father has been sleeping the whole afternoon. I hope it is clear to you why we have used has been. because time is mentioned that he had been sleeping for the whole evening. सारी दोपहर से वो सारी दोपहर सोते रहे हैं. Okay, here we will use when time is mentioned. A particular time, a point of time, or a time in a proper length. A proper time space is there. We will use present or past perfect accordingly. Okay? Yes, very good. Now, let's do one more for your reference if any doubt is there. Yes, Simran, you do. Simran, you do better. Yes, the next one. Read peacefully. Simran.
Yes, ma'am. The employees are pressing for a revision of their salaries. Hasn't the man yet?
The employers have been pressing for a revision of their salaries. काफी समय से कर रहे हैं, but time is not mentioned. Okay, I accept because time is not mentioned. If it had been, they has been pressing for a revision of their salaries for 2 years, 5 years. Fine, it's okay. It's okay. Yes, Harsh B. Harsh B. Jatin.
Why have the employees gone on a strike? They are pressing for a revision of their salary.
Exercise 10. Present perfect and present perfect continuous. Exercise 10.
Mr. Joshi has returned from his trip to the Maldives. He has been trying hard to finish the pending work since.
We have to choose present perfect and present perfect continuous. Fine. Mr. Joshi has returned from his trip to the Maldives. He has been trying hard to finish the pending work since then. I hope it is clear to you. Since then means we are going to use perfect continuous tense here. And if it is present, see beta, in the book or at this moment it is mentioned you are supposed to fill this tense, but in assessment it will not be mentioned fill this tense or that. You are supposed to understand. Fine. So it should be very much clear to you. Yes, Janvi. Next. Yes, Janvi.
I have been looking for eggs to make an omelette, but have not found any.
Yes, means beta here has been means for a long time of period you have been looking. And is looking means कि just at the moment you are telling that I am looking, but you have been looking for. आप काफी समय से उसको ढूंढने की कोशिश कर रहे थे. I have been looking for eggs to make an omelette, but have not found any. But don't worry. Yes. Next part. Yes. Mannat. Next part.
Don't worry, I have rang up the baker to send us half a dozen eggs.
Yes, I have rang up the. Yes. Next. Sukhnu. Sukhnu. Past perfect continuous, page number 11. Page number 11.
Page number 11.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
1 second, Sukhnu. 1 second. 2-3 points. Beta 2 points I want to inform you today, beta. One thing is that on page number 96, you have books at this moment. Used to. You are having one exercise related to used to. Beta, आपने ऐसे sentence पढ़े होंगे, है ना? You might have read this use of these. Used to. Used to means in habit of. Used to means in habit of. Which was a habit in the past time, but now it does not continue. हम ये used to कहाँ use करते हैं? which had been a habit in the past, but it does not continue now. One thing more on page number 99. You usually don't get it in regular tense, but let us see on page 99. Going to this use of verb you read in the circulars and notice and all. Fine. Now here we use will and here we use going to. There is difference, beta. Here we use will. When we use will, it shows that something cannot be influenced by the speaker's intention, means it will be done. It is decided, it will be done. Fine. But this going to, open the page number 98 and 99. Going to organize, it means we have intention to do something, but there can be some change. Okay, some change might be possible. It is in planning. We are going to, it is in planning. But when we use will, it means it will. Clear? You remember the use of modals also, isn't it? When we use will, it shows that there will be no intention of the speaker, there will not be willingness of the, or we can say it cannot be reformed. Some very decisive decision is, particular decision is taken. Okay? Going to is when it is intention. Intention is shown. We are going to organize. Means it is in the planning. Okay? Okay. Yes, beta. Now, you have used to exercise related to used to also. Past perfect. Exercise number 11. Yes, Simran. Page 95. Exercise 11. Yes, beta. Simran. Harshveer. Okay, Simran, you are unmuted.
I can't find page number 95 in my book. It is not there.
It is related to past perfect continuous tense. In the past chapter, in the chapter of past, beta, past perfect continuous tense. Yes, Manna.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
I
Past.
did not. I
Yes.
did not know.
I did not know. Yes, Nandini.
Yes, ma'am. I did not know Dr. Sandhu had been doing valuable research in the field of tensor.
Dr. Sandhu.
Had been doing.
Had been doing. Means we should be clear about the formula also, but what verb we are going to use. Had been doing. Yes, Manna. Next.
Rishabh had been batting the whole afternoon. That was why he was exhausted.
Yes, that's why he was exhausted. Yes, Akal Simo. Used to. Last exercise you have exercise of 12th. Used to, better try this. Okay? You will try the exercise 12th, that is of glance. Yes, better.
They had been fighting this court case for 3 years when they decided to settle it themselves.
I was asking about, okay, it's fine. The time is there to attend the meeting also. We will continue